Meaning of election.
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 Election. Election refers to the process by which people choose someone to hold a position of power or responsibility, usually through voting. The result of an election determines who will be selected for the position, based on the number of votes each candidate receives from the voters. The winning candidate is usually the one who receives the most votes, although there are different systems for determining the winner in some cases. The outcome of an election can have a significant impact on the direction of a country, organization, or community.